Sick ass fools. What up, YouTube? This is Jason here. I'm about to go meet up with some of the squad, you know, some of the homies. We're about to go riding. It's a little late, but hopefully the camera's able to capture some alright footage. And we're gonna see how it goes. Alright, we're recording now. Hello. Dude, freaking Alan's light is like the one that hits the floor the best. My light doesn't even hit the damn floor. Beep beep. Skirt. I went to what? Yeah. Ooh. Sick ass fools. Perros. Alright people, that's the end of the video. Hope you guys liked it. Hit a like or subscribe, whatever. Catch you guys in the next ride.